Welcome to another episode of Tech Tuesday. Today we'll talk about AI and the augmented workforce. AI is playing significant role in many areas where employee productivity, process efficiency, safety, etc. are being enhanced by the deployment of AI. It is not limited to software development as is kind of commonly understood. Actually, the industries and sectors which are getting impacted way more by AI are non-software development related. Uh, it is not well known that safety is another big area where AI has been deployed a lot. This is about employee safety in sectors of manufacturing, transportation, and other areas where employees may be at risk. Health and bodily injury can occur if mishaps can happen due to negligence and other things. For example, oil rigs. It's a very intense area where employee safety is paramount. People have to work under stressful conditions and they can make mistakes. So AI is playing a significant role there already, where monitoring is done to ensure that employees are being productive, they are alert, and if the AI determines that there is a error in the safety or there's some condition that is creating the employee to be unsafe, it can raise an alert and help the employee get out of that stressful or dangerous situation. There are areas in transportation where driver monitoring is a reality today, where the driver alertness is being monitored by AI by looking at their faces when they're driving, and drowsiness detection happens. And if drivers who do long logistic runs can get into unsafe scenarios that can cause accident and loss of life. So AI is playing a very significant role in protection as well there. And there are multiple such examples that I can quote, but this thing is going to be deeper and deeper in helping the workforce be safer, the workforce be more productive, the workforce be more efficient. See, job displacement is a area of concern every time there is technological evolution, and there have been multi-generational shifts that we have seen prior to the AI happening as well. If you go back to the age of industrialization, when humans started industrializing, there was a lot of concern about machines, manufacturing, lines, etc., coming in, and they displacing the jobs of what people used to do with hand. It is a natural evolution. Human beings evolve. Human beings get better. As AI will come in, organizations will have to think about how and what kind of new jobs are getting created to monitor the AI, to take a look at the quality control, to take a even look at how AI is safer and remains ethical. So there are multiple new roles that will emerge. There will be multiple new job opportunities that will emerge. Much so as the age of industrialization created new job opportunities, the age of AI will enhance the human skills, and I believe it will create new jobs, make the humans beings smarter, and definitely there'll be a concern about the problems that AI can create by replacing jobs that humans do, but it will elevate and create new job opportunities is what my belief is. So there will be multiple use cases and opportunities for SaaS companies to leverage the fundamental generative AI and other AI changes and developments which are happening. They have to be adapted into real use cases. For example, generative AI being used for creative writing, generative AI being used for art, for the purpose of music creation. So there are multiple use cases which are going to emerge. In every sector, there would be a need for taking the fundamental AI changes and applying it to use cases and creating software or creating systems that will help create process efficiencies, create business efficiencies, among other things. There's a tremendous opportunity for SaaS companies. They have to be on lookout for where the right fit of the AI can happen in their chosen area of expertise and build upon those. Thank you for your support to Tech Tuesdays and your continued encouragement. I'm excited that you are providing your comments offline, but do leave us some online comments as well and suggestions for betterment. Thank you.